All right, guys, we are here at Prop Busters in Red Deer. We are going to maiden the MIBO Swift S1, I think, glider. Has a Xicoy 45 turbine on it. If you guys haven't seen the build videos, check them out down below. So let's roll that intro and we will maiden this glider, jet, whatever you want to call it. So all we basically want to do is...
I'll just give it a little push.
You want to be down like this, I'll throttle it up, and then you want to make sure when you push it, you keep the wings level.
Okay.
But as soon as I throttle up, it'll start pulling.
Yeah.
Right, so you just want to give it a bit of a push, try and keep those wings level, right?
Yep.
Basically, it all rides on you. There's no pressure, but it all rides on you.
Maybe I should be at the sticks.
Fire this thing. Think it'll pull that? Oh yeah, MIBO, like you watch their videos, they basically have a runway like this, they point it into the wind, and one guy just goes like that, and it's 50 feet, it's off.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just doing
I
what
said
their
the same
videos
thing.
say.
I'm like, oh,
I get to
okay.
watch.
I love watching.
Stand back. What is fucking pop can? It's like
know.
smaller than a pop can.
Smaller than a pop can. It's crazy.
Should wrap it in a Red Bull freaking can.
Yeah. This will be exhilarating. This will be a little rocket.
Okay, so let's carry it to the end. I don't know. Do you have it set off? Oh, you can turn it off, turn it back on. This is all brand new. I have no idea what I'm doing. Take one! Yeah, take one. Hopefully there's a take two.
He's far enough away, he didn't hear you.
No. You'll watch the video and hear it later.
That's right.
He only needs 50 feet. Ready?
Ooh, she looks sensitive.
Flaps are off?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice.
Wow. Jesus, I should have my earplugs in.
I don't know if you're going to be able to see much on the camera, but... Huh.
Right there you will.
Oh yeah, everything's good. The thrust line is just, that's the problem.
A little wonky.
Yeah.
Might have to put some elevator throttle mix in
I
it.
like that noise. Sounds like it's humming. No, you have to wait for it to get to full throttle and then start moving it.
Sorry.
You knew that before you
Did you? That I was going to screw up.
It's got lots of elevator though, so it was easy to fix.
Oh yeah, that's sounding just about perfect.
Holy crap, eh? That is cool. It is sensitive though.
Does it ever turn? Wow.
Oh, and I'm just doing like, it feels like my ultra flash is what it feels
Is
like.
that right?
Yeah, high speed.
Like crazy sensitive elevator.
Yeah. Because the speed frame can fly in.
Oh,
It goes slow or fast. Oh yeah. Well, if I go to idle, so I'll
Yeah,
go
you're
up.
hardly even on the throttle.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now it's idle.
Does the pitch change when you go back to idle?
From mid to idle, no, but at higher throttles, it definitely does.
Right.
Pushes the nose down.
Pushes your nose down, yeah.
So you could probably angle the turbine just a hair up in the front to compensate, maybe.
Probably, right? That'd do it. So basically, when you run out of fuel, you got another half an hour before you land.
Yeah, pretty much, eh? So that's off throttle, that's mid flaps.
Oh wow!
I wonder if it's pushing enough to keep it flying.
Whoa, that's crazy.
That went a little wonky there.
Oh, it slowed it right down.
Did.
Said it slowed it right down.
It's almost a stall.
You could see it slow down, like how fast it put on the brakes there. That's crazy. And that was only like mid flap.
That was mid flap.
Oh. Okay. Try full flap then.
That's at speed. Full flap, full throttle.
It's a sharp looking machine.
So it pushes the nose. Yeah, it's not bad actually.
Good roll rate.
A flash at a third the weight. I think you could conceivably land this thing with the engine at idle.
You gonna try or you gonna shut it off?
I think I'm gonna try.
Yeah. At least if it doesn't look good, you can always.
We'll do some approaches and see what happens.
Yeah.
Nothing. Oh, no idea.
What's that, Andrew? You were just going to fly it until it died originally?
Maybe.
I like it.
Very well planned out.
I like the excitement.
That's pretty fast. So that's idle. Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
So, coming around. I'm just going to go half flap and see what happens.
Wow, see it climb. No problem at all.
Jeez.
Does it get a little sensitive on the ailerons?
Yeah, it does get sensitive. I don't think I want to land it.
Shut the engine off.
I think so.
Do it without flap.
I think so, yeah.
That's what I see. Why is that?
It makes it too sensitive on the ailerons.
Blowing around.
Yeah, it looked like you were fighting it pretty good there.
Yeah, definitely was.
Not enough big enough turbine. Needs a 160.
Yeah. So it'll react really weird, even though it's like almost stalling, but you can still fly it because it's a glider. But it'll be weird. That's it right there.
Nice. I think that would work.
I think so too.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I'd kill it before.
Yeah, that looks really good. Yeah, you totally will get that.
Nice work.
That's crazy.
Jeez, eh? Wow.
Come on, land. Nice job.
John.
Okay, Adam, go run, get it. Wow, that was cool.
Just going to get it.
That's pretty wild.